Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. All right, let's get our stuff together for work. Let's see, let me set my eggs here a second, set the cheese there. We need some of our breakfast pork. See, look, I'm putting my spoon in now. And a fork, just to be safe. I'm going to pull out a little spoon to go on and get me a little of this ground pork out. Let's see, what is today? Today is Thursday. Ooh, tomorrow's Friday. Isn't that a song? It's Friday, Friday. Something, Friday. There was some girl, and her dad produced a song for her, and that was very nice of him. So we've got 2 eggs, some pork, and we're going to do the herb cheese tomorrow. And let me stick it back here. And we're going to have a blueberry yogurt tomorrow. I'm a little bit sleepy. Today was gym day. So I'm a little on the sleepy side. I've got the apple cut up. Apples. It's 2 apples. All right. So let's see. We're gonna have us some salad tomorrow. Because wait till you see what I'm taking with it. Oh, I made it. I don't know when I made it. Was it the weekend? I don't know. You'll recognize it when you see it though. Okay, let's put our cabbage over here and put some broccoli slaw. Put in all our dry veggies. Nope, that's the main thing. All right, so here got me some rutabaga. And so I pulled this big old thing out and I stirred up my veggies. And I'm much happier with them now. Alright, we're going to finish off the red onions. Co-workers, beware. I'm going to be like, hey girl, how you doing? Whoop, I need that back. And they're going to be like, ooh, Terry, go back to your office. Quit talking to us. I'm going to be like, no. Oh, man, I had several people in my office yesterday. I'm so terrible. I definitely shocked some of them. Because I said, I wish I would have to fart. I said, I wish I had to fart. And they're like, what? I'm like, yeah. I wish I had a silent but deadly fart that I could do. And they were just mortified that I said it. I'm like, it is me. I cannot believe you're surprised that I would say something like that. It was Leslie that was like surprised. She was the most surprised. But I think secretly she wasn't surprised. But anyway, yeah. I was like, I wish I had a silent but deadly fart. I think that would be hilarious. And then nobody would know which one it is. Well, they would probably assume it's me. But anyway, yeah. I just thought that would have been hilarious. This is some frozen zucchini, and it's still partially frozen, but I'm going to cut it up a little bit and put it in the dealie. Okay, let me put this over here. Oh, it's getting a little too high. You can't necessarily see. All right, come here, fella. So, since I'm not doing a real chop, I didn't get out anything other than my fine, fancy cutting board here. All right. Now, I'm doing it again because y'all haven't had a chance to comment yet because my video will upload on Friday. And then y'all will tell me how terrible or good of an idea this is. So, I'm going to do it again because worked well. Works well for me, in my opinion. I mean, bleach is a serious cleaner. I bet even Lori has used bleach in her time cleaning things. Alright. So now we got some veggies. Alright, close that up. Let me pull this forward. I said in my last video, I should put my banana peppers in here. I did. So now they're going to become like bread and butter banana peppers. Oh, oh. How yummy is that going to be? Alright, so I'll put this on. I'm going to take this guacamole. I don't know. I just kind of want a healthy fat. You'll see what I'm taking here in a jiffy. But, so let's get our salad dressing on here. Hold up. Let's put some guacamole in more. And, no, I didn't want to have to go digging. But I'm going to go digging anyway. I did not want to have to do that. We'll put a little total seasonings on here. But now that I'm doing it, I'm going to go all out. And we're going to put in some roasted garlic and some Greek seasoning. Now. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put just a couple tomatoes on here, if I can get them to fit, and with the lid going down on them. All right. So, this is my not-so-favorite dressing. It's not terrible. There's nothing wrong with it. I just like the Thousand Island and the poppy seed much better. But that's all right. And now we're going to finish off this Thousand Island. There's not much in here. I know I'm not weighing it today. I'm being a rebel. I'm being a rebel without a cause. Okay. Oh, gosh. I had a glass in my trash can. Where's the lid? Here's the lid. And then I'll show you what we're taking tomorrow. Come on, will you get on there? All right, you did. Now, I got a couple of rutabagas and a jicama for the weekend. So we're going to mess with that. All right, let me just get everything in. Let me put this in. And then I'll show you what we're having. Oh, shoot, that's my salad. Terry. All right, we have the pizza that we made. And it's the chicken pizza. And so it's on, I got this on, this is parchment paper that it's on. I don't know why. It's what I did. I cooked it on it, so I just stuck it in here with it. So tomorrow morning when I microwave it, I'll pull it out from that. So, but anyway, that pizza, I don't really know how filling that's going to be. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and take some guacamole as like a healthy fat to add. So we're going to have that. That'll be lunch. And my apple will be lunch. And in the morning, we'll have our Suzanne eggs. And a yogurt. There we go. Now, there we go. That's my breakfast and lunch tomorrow. I'll see you in the morning. Watch what happens. Now, I'm not sitting on it, okay? I mean, I'm not really going because I got my britches on. But let's see who all comes to visit. Here's this. Oh, you got a ball for me, Sam? Hi. You want a ball? What a good boy. It's my sweet Sammer. Hey, Bax. Baxter has to come check on everybody. The dog door's closed. Hi, buddy. He's pacing because he's ready for us to go to bed. You ready to go to bed, Sam? Are you ready? You want to go to bed? Is that why you're in here, bub? Okay. Baxter says it's time for bed. All right. Come on. Let's go. They're going to be like, why isn't the toilet flushing? So let's follow him. Come on, Lulu. Let's go do our thing. Let's go. Everybody get it. Wait a minute. Where's Callie? Callie? I'm hoping I didn't lock her outside. Get up in there, bub. We better go check and see if we lock Callie out or if she's on the couch ignoring us. Yeah, I locked Callie out. Got the dog door closed. Hold on. Girl, get in here. You silly thing. You silly thing. Okay, come on, let's go. Ziggy, arm the house. Come on, let's go night-night. Let's go. Get in, Callie. Up. Backs. All right, then. Take your spots, boys. Lulu. Lou. Nope, it's too early for Lou. He's gonna... The house may be armed by Alexa. Wait a minute, where'd he go? Dude, how you doing? Come on, let's go to bed. Come on, mister. Come on, Grandpa, let's go. March, march, march. It's like corralling a bunch of cats. Sam, you gotta scoot over, let him in there. Sam, get up in the bed. Come on, Sam, get up. Up, up, Sam, come on. Come on, I know. Let the princess have his bed. There you go. Sam, up in the bed, buddy. Come on, get up here. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go night-night. All right. There's my sweet Sam and my sweet girl. I never know exactly who's going to sleep exactly where, but usually Baxter's up by my pillow. But he didn't take that spot tonight. Baxter's happiest when we're all in here, in this room, and in bed. He's my guard boy, so it makes him happy. Every time I go to the bathroom and I come back, look at these faces. Look at your sweet babies. Every single one of them. I love them all. They're all so awesome. Even little ham sandwich Lou. I just love my babies. Hello, it's breakfast time, and we're going to have some blueberry yogurt, and we're going to have our eggs. I didn't put salt on them yet. I tried to take a bite of them, but they are too hot. It's got the garlic herb cheese in it, that Laughing Cow garlic herb cheese. Let's take a taste. That's good. I still got my coffee. And it's a little before 8. All right, bye. It's lunchtime. I got my pizza. Yep. My chicken crust pizza. Guacamole. I'm going to put some of this Creole seasoning on it. Just a little on the top. Let's see what that tastes like. Because I don't have my everything bagel seasoning. I took it home. What a knucklehead move. Yeah. That gives it a good flavor, good kick. And my apples. And a salad. See, it's upper. It is 12 o'clock, and my office is cold. Our building is cold. It's always cold. That's something they don't tell you about weight loss, is you're cold all the time. You have weird aches and pains. And, yeah. So I'm freezing. So I come out to my car. 82 degrees outside, but in my car it's probably 90. I don't know, but it feels good. I kind of want to just lay my head back and take a little cat nap. I know. I wouldn't sleep in my car, but I kind of want to. But okay. Anyway, I just had to tell you, I'm freezing. Micah took us off, and I even got a long sleeve shirt on. Long sleeve sweater. Okay, bye. Supper tonight is pretty quick. This is some pork chops that I cooked up, and some of my pickled veggies. And this is the, not cabbage. What's that stuff? Well, it is cabbage, but the fermented cabbage. Oh, dadgummit. What the heck is it? Sauerkraut. Holy smokes. And fruit. I couldn't remember the word sauerkraut. So let's try that. I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Bread and butter veggies, baby. pork chops. Yep, they're seasoned. I don't remember what I seasoned them with. I never know. I just pull stuff out and eat it. But it's good. And some fruit. So that's my supper. And it's kind of fast supper, so maybe editing Terry can make this video kind of short. We'll see. Okay, bye.